A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum, Aki Hashir.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Yes. So today is our first class on the introduction of Python. So from today we are gonna do a series of classes in which we will learn about Python. We will discuss about it after a while. So, dear brothers and sisters, our first of all, our question is what is Python? Which Akhi Hashir, I wanna ask you, and after that I will tell my own point of view, what I think. Yes, Hashir.
Are you asking what is Python, right?
Yep.
Python is a programming language in which we command the computer in a simple code.
Yeah. If I simplize your sentence, see, dear brothers and sisters, Python is a coding language, and coding language is not done by paperwork or any written stuff. It is done on computer, and it is a computering language. Only the computer can understand it, and we have to understand that language because from coding language, it is necessary to learn, and is important as well, because by learning this, people make websites and other things as well. You see around us gadgets and stuff like that, they make by coding. So Python is a coding language type thing, and it is the most easiest language of the computering language, coding language. That's why we are learning it today, and we will do together the projects, hard projects which we are facing, in which we are facing the hardness, and we will, go through all of the things from the basics towards the complex ideas and other things as well. So, 1 minute. Akhi,
Yes, Akhi.
yes, so we were talking about the language, and now I want you to share your screen out right now. Little while later, after I share my screen and show dear brothers and sisters important things, I want you to share the Jupyter notebook, how to open it, and I will share about the Google Colab. So these basically, dear brothers and sisters, are two names of two coding areas which we have to, in which we have to make the codes. Basically, before going for any further, I want to explain you that codes are only made in special website type notebooks, where we run the codes, and then they give the formulas and different other things which we want them to give, and we will do that. So I am sharing my screen, so let you can see, and Hashir will also share his own screen, so you can see which of the two things you can select, you want to select, in which there is Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook. So 1 minute. Yes. So now I am writing here, which is Google Colab and Jupiter. What is the spelling? Hashir,
Jupyter.
Jupiter.
I will not include, why will include?
Jupyter Notebook. Now, dear brothers and sisters, I have done the work in Google Colab. So if you want, you can do it.
Not spelling like that. Why? Why will include?
It's okay. Right now, you will share your screen so you can show me the language and other things. I'm sharing my screen, dear brothers and sisters. So here was the Google Colab. So first of all, you have to go through Google, and after that, write this Google Colab. And 1 minute. Here it would be here this would be Google Colab. Okay, so go here. 1 minute. I have already signed up regarding Google Colab. What is this? Come on. Yes. So like I have already signed up. Here it is. I can show you. So if you can see, here it is. Collab Collaboratory. Okay, so like this, I open it every time when I use it. Otherwise you can open like this whenever you will first time open it, so it will be like this on Google. So now you have to go here, which is new notebook, and 1 minute, let me close it. Yes. So I am going through the new notebook, which is this. Now, I told you that this is a special website where we write codes. You know, when we write this and this, 1 minute, let me write anything. Like we write like this. Okay, so this is not coding. Actually, it gives error or different other things. This is not coding. Coding is something else which.
Just name error.
Yeah, I know. So it will give different type of errors, and this is the problem here. Okay, so don't write these type of things because they don't matter. See, here it is an error. So now I am deleting this code. This is not a code, okay? This is a line. Now I told you that these are special lines. So what happens when we make a code here now? After that, it is done. So we generate it like this, and then it gives the answer. For example, 1 minute, let me open my Google Colab notebook in which I'm working currently. Not right now, the previous Google Colab in which I work with my Akhi Hashir, friend Akhi Hashir. Yes. So, see, like this, for example, 1 minute. Yes. So, for example, this is a code. Now, I take it here, okay, and paste it like this. So, this is a code. Now, I will run it and it will ask me thing. Enter number 1. Now I have to write any of the numbers. 67 I have done. Number 2, 89, 879. Now enter an operator, which we can say is plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Now, Hashir, which one do I choose?
You should use multiplication.
Okay, so I use the star and it calculates. So basically it is a simple calculator. So these type of codes I want you guys to make, and for that I will help you and my friend Akhi Ashir will help you. From basics we will go towards the hardcore part and learn them. So 1 minute. Now let's start from today our basic learning for Python, in which I will explain you important areas and steps we have to take in Python.
First, we should write, tell on variables, right? They are very basic in Python, right?
No, right now today we will only learn about, how to use the Google Colab. So, dear brothers and sisters, like this, we use the Google Colab whenever we need a code, a new line of code. So we don't tap here or here or here because there is no line. We have to go here, code. So it gives us another line. If we want to write any text, like here I have written. So you have to go here and write it like this. Okay, so these are the things. From our next episode, which is known as second episode, we will go through learning the first area, which my friend told right now, which is the variables. Okay, now I want Hashir you to share your screen for Jupyter Notebook. Share your screen.
Okay. Wait a minute. Let us share. Okay, I have different tabs and
You can share from, the part where, our dear brothers and sisters, when they will search by Google Chrome, and then what will happen? Okay, show that area.
wait a minute.
Now, dear brothers and sisters, right now I have showed you Google Colab. Do not go directly towards Google Colab, because right now he is showing us about the Jupyter notebook, which you can also
See, here is Jupyter notebook. So I think so. You need to write a full name of it.
you can
Okay.
Hashir, open another. Yes, like this Jupyter notebook. Now click on it, enter.
It will show this like thing. Then you will click on that. Then you will click on try. Then you will scroll down and there will be the original web application for creating and sharing computational documents. So you should click here.
This is actually Jupyter notebook. Well, they don't have any difference, but they are also good. Jupyter notebook is also good.
Okay, so we will click on notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook is little bit fast and have more errors than Colab notebook. It is fast than Colab and it have more errors than Colab. Okay,
Yes.
here you can see it have some errors like that. See, see here I am asking for input. See, type error. It never accepts this thing.
So I think so maybe dear brothers and sisters, I would refer you guys to, use only Google Colab, which is much easier for you guys. So thank you very much, Ashi, for sharing your screen. Now you can unshare. And dear brothers and sisters, then you can see whatever you want to choose. And from our next episode, wait till our next episode starts, and in which we will, talk about the second part, in which we will start from the basics of Python. Today was the introduction. So I hope so, Aisha, you liked the introduction of Python. So thank you very much, dear brothers and sisters. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Allah Hafiz.